11 amazing fruits that help to unclog your colon fast. Did you know that a clogged colon can cause discomfort and health issues like constipation, bloating, gas, and fatigue? These symptoms can affect your daily life and productivity as well. But you can easily improve your colon health by following certain natural remedies. In this video, I'll share 11 amazing fruits that can unclog your colon fast and improve your health. All these fruits are easy to find, delicious, and packed with essential nutrients. So be sure to watch these videos until the end to know the complete details. At last, I'll also suggest additional tips to maintain your colon health. When it comes to our overall well-being, digestive health is most important for us. And colon is one of the vital organs in the digestive system. It is also known as the large intestine. Its primary function is eliminating waste and absorbing nutrients. It also helps to maintain a balanced gut microbiome. A properly functioning colon helps prevent the accumulation of toxins and harmful substances. However, factors such as a poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress can lead to a clogged colon. An unhealthy colon can lead to various digestive issues like constipation, bloating, gas, and discomfort. However, there are numerous ways to cleanse your colon. But adding fruits into your diet can be an effective and natural way to unclog your colon fast. Fruits are packed with nutrients, fiber, and unique properties. All these can make a significant difference in how your colon functions. Here are 11 amazing fruits that help to unclog your colon quickly. Let's start with number 11, berries. Adding berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries to your diet can offer numerous health benefits, including their ability to unclog the colon. They contain a high amount of fiber, which is effective in promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. The fiber adds bulk to the stool, which improves bowel movements and reduces the risk of a clogged colon. Additionally, berries are rich in antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which help protect the colon cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moreover, berries are known to have natural detoxifying properties, which aid in clearing out waste and toxins from the colon. Regular consumption of berries can help stimulate the muscles in the colon, promoting peristalsis movement, which helps in the proper elimination of waste from the body. Number 10, oranges. Oranges offer a delightful combination of taste and health benefits, especially when it comes to improving colon health. Their high fiber content is a key factor in this regard, aiding in maintaining a well-functioning digestive system and regular bowel movements. Oranges provide both soluble and insoluble fiber, which adds volume to stool and helps prevent constipation. By ensuring smooth digestion, oranges contribute to the prevention of issues like hemorrhoids and diverticulosis. Moreover, oranges are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support colon health. They are a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that safeguards colon cells against damage from free radicals. Vitamin C also aids in collagen production, which maintains the intestinal lining's strength and integrity. Additionally, oranges contain folate, a B vitamin associated with a reduced risk of colorectal cancer. By incorporating oranges into your diet, you not only enhance the overall health of your colon, but also lower the risk of various digestive disorders. Number 9, avocados. Like other fruits, avocados offer a multitude of health benefits, including unclogging the colon naturally. A single avocado can provide up to 13 grams of fiber, which is almost half of the daily recommended intake for adults. The soluble fiber in avocados absorbs water and adds bulk to the stool, which helps it pass through the digestive system more easily. Moreover, avocados contain natural oils that serve as a lubricant for the colon, facilitating the movement of waste through the intestines. This helps maintain a healthy digestive system and prevents the accumulation of toxins in the colon. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which reduces inflammation in the digestive tract and improves overall colon health. Additionally, avocados contain high levels of monounsaturated fats, which lower the risk of developing colon cancer. Number 8, kiwis. Apart from fiber content, kiwis are also rich in prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that stimulate the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. These friendly bacteria help to maintain a healthy balance in the colon, improve nutrient absorption, and enhance overall digestion. Kiwis are particularly rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants found in kiwi have a protective effect on colon health. Antioxidants play a key role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. High levels of free radicals can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of colon cancer. Number 7. Prunes. Prunes, also known as dried plums, which known for promoting a healthy digestive system. These fruits are packed with dietary fiber, making them effective in maintaining regular bowel movements. Prunes help to soften stools and increase the elimination of waste from the body. Prunes also contain sorbitol, which acts as a natural laxative and stimulates bowel movements. Furthermore, prunes are a rich source of antioxidants and contain important nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin K, and potassium. These antioxidants help protect the cells in the colon from damage caused by free radicals. Number 6. Apples. Apples are not only crunchy and tasty, but also high in fiber, which helps promote a healthy digestive system. They contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber. Pectin acts as a natural gentle laxative, which helps to regulate bowel movements. It softens stool consistency, making it easier to pass, and aids in preventing the discomfort associated with constipation. In addition to their fiber content, apples are also packed with antioxidants and natural enzymes that aid in digestion. Apples contain natural enzymes such as amylase and lipase, which assist in breaking down fats and carbohydrates and easing the digestive process. Number 5. Pears. Pears help prevent waste material and toxins accumulation by effectively unclogging the colon. Additionally, the fiber in pears acts as a natural laxative, which stimulates the muscles of the digestive system. It increases healthy bowel movements. Dehydration is a common cause of colon clogging. Pears contain a high water content, which prevents dehydration. It aids in keeping the digestive system hydrated. Well-hydrated body facilitates the proper functioning of the colon. Along with their high water content, pears also provide essential nutrients and vitamins, such as vitamin C and potassium, which support overall digestive health. Number 4. Papayas. Papayas is well known as a digestive-friendly food, especially when it comes to unclogging the colon. This benefits due to their high fiber content. Additionally, papayas contain an enzyme called papain, which aids in the breakdown of proteins and helps to promote healthy digestion. Moreover, papayas are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, which contribute to colon health. These antioxidants help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body that can cause damage to the cells lining the colon. Furthermore, papayas are also a good source of water, which is essential for maintaining proper hydration. Number 3. Banana. Eating bananas regularly can play a significant role in maintaining a healthy colon. They are high in dietary fiber and potassium, which have numerous health benefits. Dietary fiber is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Bananas are an excellent source of this fiber, making them a natural and gentle laxative. Bananas can prevent discomfort and irregularity in the digestive system. The potassium found in bananas can regulate fluid balance in the colon. It is an essential mineral and electrolyte for the body. Potassium has several vital functions, including relaxing the walls of blood vessels. Further, potassium aids in cellular waste removal, contributing to the overall detoxification of the body, including the colon. Number 2. Watermelon. Consuming watermelon regularly can help to unclog the colon and promote optimal digestive health. Watermelon is known for its high water content and fiber content. The high water content in watermelon helps to hydrate the body and promote smoother bowel movements. That is why it helps to avoid constipation and maintain regularity. It helps to flush out toxins from the colon and prevent the buildup of harmful bacteria. And finally, number 1, pineapple. Eating pineapple or drinking fresh pineapple juice are the best ways to unclog the colon naturally. Pineapples are a rich source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to the stool and helps to eliminate waste from the body. In addition to fiber, pineapples also contain bromelain, a group of enzymes that aid in digestive health. Bromelain helps to break down proteins and improve the absorption of nutrients in the body. The inflammation in the digestive tract is being often a cause of sluggish colon function. But pineapple's anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation in the colon and alleviate symptoms. Incorporating pineapples into your diet is the best way to keep your colon healthy condition. Remember, including these fruits in your diet can contribute to a healthy colon, but it's essential to maintain a balanced and varied diet overall. Further, the following additional tips help to keep your colon healthy. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often lack fiber and can contribute to digestive issues. Reducing their consumption can benefit your colon. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps stimulate the muscles in your digestive tract, promoting efficient bowel movements and overall digestive health. Limit red and processed meats. High consumption of red and processed meats has been associated with an increased risk of colon cancer. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect digestion. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your routine. Limit antibiotic use. Excessive antibiotic use can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, which potentially impacts colon health. Eat probiotic foods. Foods rich in probiotics, like yogurt and kefir, can promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which can benefit your colon. Further, if you want to restore perfect digestive health, then you can try something which can improve the balance in your gut microbiome. It reduces the risk of constipation, bloating, and gas. It lowers the chance of gut inflammation and protects your digestive system from damage. For more useful resources, check out the link in the description. That's all for this video. If you want to learn more ways to keep your colon healthy, watch this video as well. At last, which fruits would you like to add to your diet after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you thought this video offered some valuable information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It really helps to support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. If you want to see more videos from us, then hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And be sure to check out our other videos too. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.